Welcome to Primacy, the flagship of the Evolis range of desktop card printers. Primacy is engineered to support single or dual-sided printing and stands out as the most rapid, top-performing, and affordable printer in its category. Primacy matches high-end performance with ease of use. When loaded with cutting-edge encoded technologies, Primacy handles any basic to advanced requirements in card personalization. Thanks to the Evolis high-trust range of consumables, Primacy sets a new benchmark in printing quality. Capable of printing up to 225 colors and 1,000 monochrome cards per hour, Primacy offers one of the market's most efficient outputs. Primacy offers a range of versatile options, enabling the printer to service different market requirements, each with their specific applications. For example, Primacy can be equipped with a color tactile touchscreen to facilitate counter operations. The interface displays notifications and allows real-time interaction with the printer for optimal user experience. To meet the increasing demands for instant issuance of payment and secure ID cards, Primacy can be ordered with an electromechanical locking system and opaque card feeders. Businesses, administrations, and governments alike will appreciate the lamination module that gives cards enduring protection and an enhanced level of security. Primacy is ideal for printing cards in runs thanks to a card feeder and an output hopper, both with a capacity of 100 cards and conveniently located at the front of the printer. These can be accessed easily and monitored at a glance. Primacy comes with Ethernet and USB ports as well as a wireless connection, and supports Windows, Mac, and Linux environments. With the Evolis Premium Suite software, Primacy communicates with users on their screens while help is available online 24/7. The Evolis Premium SDK Development Kit provides one of the essential basic tools you will need to connect your Primacy printer to your computer system easily and rapidly. The printer comes with CardPresso Card Designer software in the XXS edition. Compatible with Mac and PC, it is the ideal solution to help users design and personalize their own badges and cards. Primacy is an eco-friendly printer with very low energy consumption. The printer fits quietly into any office environment, and it operates at a low 48 decibel sound level. Primacy benefits from the expertise and proven quality standards of Evolis. Each machine goes through fine-tuning and stringent testing. You also get a 3-year manufacturer's warranty to endorse our guarantee of optimized operations and perfect results. Fast and user-friendly, the Primacy printer offers a very attractive cost per card advantage and makes it undoubtedly the most cost-efficient solution when it comes to personalizing batches of high-quality cards in color or monochrome.